In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create charts in ChatGPT. This process is not only straightforward, but also an incredibly useful skill to have, especially if you're looking to visualize your data in an easily digestible format. Let's dive right in. To get started, open your browser and navigate to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, go ahead and type ChatGPT into the search bar. As you might already know, this search will help bring up the ChatGPT website, which is our main tool for creating charts today. After hitting enter, you should see a list of search results. Make sure to click on the link that takes you directly to the ChatGPT website. This step is crucial because the features we want to use are available through the official site. Once you're on the ChatGPT page, you might notice a few options or icons scattered around. Focus your attention on the plus sign, which is likely located within the project or data section. Clicking on this plus sign will open up a menu with different options. From these, you'll want to select the Add Photos and Files option. Doing so will open a file explorer on your computer, which allows you to select the data file you wish to use for your chart. Make sure that your data is organized and saved in a compatible format, such as a CSV or Excel file, to ensure smooth processing. Once you've selected your desired file, you'll see it uploaded or prepared for use in ChatGPT. Now comes the creative part, typing in a prompt. This is where you will instruct ChatGPT to create a specific type of chart. For example, you could input, create a line chart showing monthly sales data, or generate a pie chart of annual revenue by category. Be as specific as possible with your request to get the most accurate representation of your data. When you've formulated your prompt, go ahead and click on Submit. This action will set ChatGPT to work, processing your instructions and generating a visual chart based on your data and the details of your prompt. Within moments, you should see your freshly created chart on the screen. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create charts using ChatGPT. This process allows you to turn raw data into insightful visuals that can be shared, analyzed, or integrated into reports. Feel free to experiment with different types of charts and data sets to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT's chart creating capabilities. Thank you for watching, and happy charting!